Good morning. We're gonna be doing something a little different for What's Cooking Wednesday. We're gonna do like a breakfast edition. So I'm gonna show you how to do some oatmeal. I sometimes like to have some oatmeal for breakfast, so get started. So we're gonna start off with half a cup of oatmeal. I like the old-fashioned. It cooks a little slower, but it makes like a creamier oatmeal. So let's get started. I'm gonna do about a cup of, 3/4 of a cup of water just to get started, and then I'm gonna add a bit of salt in here. Start it at a high heat, and then I'm gonna add a little milk to it. So I like oat milk. It's different. It's no dairy because I'm casein intolerant. There's no nuts, no gluten in it, so it's a great alternative to almond milk or coconut milk if you don't like that. So there's that. We're just gonna add a touch to it to start off with. This is what makes it really creamy. You want to see something really cool? When your oatmeal starts to bubble, it looks like it's breathing. That's when you know you need to turn the heat down. So we're going to turn it down to simmer, and then we're going to start stirring it. All right, so we got it down to simmer. I'm going to add a little chia seed. This is great for fiber, and it's going to make it a little creamier as well. So a few pinches in there. I'm also going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Give it a nice flavor. I'm going to keep stirring it. That is the trick, is to keep stirring it.
Never stop stirring.
A little bit more of my milk now because it looks a little dry and I want to keep it creamy. There's no exact science to this. It's looking pretty tasty. Gotta keep stirring it. Don't stop stirring. Add a little bit more fluid again. That chia seed is gonna puff up, and it creates like a little sticky coating around it. That's really good at helping to pull out the toxins from your gut. So that's why chia seeds are so good. They're also extremely high in omega-3s, so that's really good for your heart and your joints. I'm gonna keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Still stirring. This is how you get your biceps.
Don't stop stirring. Oh, look at that now, though. Almost looks like cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah, like melted cheese, like macaroni.
Almost ready. Because it's the old-fashioned oatmeal, it's going to take a little longer to cook.
It's not that instant stuff. More milk.
That's the secret. Need some head-banging music right here to go with your stirring. There it is. Soft, creamy oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Nice.
All right, so we got my oatmeal in the bowl. Last thing is just to finish it off with a touch of cinnamon. Now you can add a little sweetness to it. So you can add a little bit of, so we've got this organic brown sugar that's mixed with a bit of Truvia, so it takes down the calories a little bit and reduces the load. Or you could add honey to it. So we've got this really cool allergy blend honey. So this helps for me particularly with my allergies during this time of year. So it's raw, it's cold packed, so it's extremely bioactive honey, and it gives you a little dose of the pollen that affects you with all the allergies. So if you open it, you can see the bits of pollen in there,
Yeah,
which
is kind of at the bottom too.
So we're gonna stir it up. Just drizzle that honey over. And there's no magic here. You can just add whatever. And just add your favorite toppings. You can add fresh fruit. You can add berries, nuts, whatever floats your boat here. I'm gonna make sure I get all that good honey in there.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you fight allergies the natural way. No Claritin for me.
No.
And there you have it.